Hello students, I Parul Patel again welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about English grammar. We are going to learn grammar again today with new topic, and my topic is today remove to. Remove to can be asked for the 9th standard students also, to the 10th standard students also, as well as for the higher secondary section also. So this video I am making for all the students, secondary as well as higher secondary. So let us see how to remove to. TOO2. Okay. Let us see with the sentence, or it indicates when it is indicate means to has two uses. Here we have to use the remove to pattern, and in which to indicates the negation. So but negation is in hidden form, that we are going to see, and how to remember how to remove it, that we are going to discuss. Okay. So let us see that which are the points which we have to keep it in mind. Points to remember. Which are the points? That is number 1. Which point? That we have to remove the sentence, or sorry, we have to remove to, okay, by, let me write first of all, that not to change the tense of the sentence and not to change even the meaning. Okay, see, this is point number 1, that not to change the tense of the sentence and simultaneously not to change even the meaning. So without changing the meaning, we have to, without changing the meaning, we have to remove to, right? Number 2, point number 2, which we have to use, that use so ... that, okay, at the place of to, okay, and to, that we are going to see. Okay. And number 3, that which thing we have to remember. Okay, number 3 is that according to the tense used in the statement, we have to use can or could, that we are going to see with the sentences, right? Okay. Okay friends, let us see with the sentence, that he is too old to work. Here to indicates negation, that he is very much old that he cannot walk. Okay, so how to remember, how to remove these two? We have to remove these two also, as well as these two also. So here we'll write he is. Okay, to, in place of to you have to use so. See it carefully. In place of to you have to use so, that he is so old, and in place of to you have to add that. Okay, so he is so old that, again you have to use this pronoun or the subject he. Okay, he is so old that he, and which tense is that? Tense is present tense. So according to the tense you have to use either can or could. With present tense you have to use can. Okay, he can. Okay, and as negation is there in these two, then we, as we have removed from here, Okay, in this statement we have removed these two. So along with these two, negation has also been removed. Okay, but what is our precondition? That we have to maintain the tense as well as we have to maintain the meaning. So without changing the meaning, we have to change it. Okay, so we have to use remove two. Okay, so as negation is removed from here, so we'll write in place of here we'll add negation. So we'll write can't. Okay, or cannot. He is so old that he can't walk. Isn't it very simple and very easy? It carries 1 mark. Okay, so 1 mark must be gone in your pocket. So grab it. Number 2. Okay, let us see. Meena is too lazy to complete the project. Okay, so what we'll write? Meena is, in place of to we have to use so. Meena is so lazy. In place of these two we have to write that. Meena is so lazy that, and what will be the pronoun we'll use for Meena? That she. She, and as it is present tense, so we'll write can, and negation we have to add. So she can't complete the project. Right? Okay. See. Number 3. The tea is too hot to drink. Okay. Here subject is not there, but tea is given, right? So the tea is too hot to drink. So how to use it? That this sentence means our answer must be in passivization. See how we'll do it. The tea is so hot. Okay, that. Okay, for tea we'll use it. Okay, so hot that it cannot or it can't be, because someone will drink it, no? So it can't be drunk. We have to write the passive form of it, and the past participle of drink is drink, drank, drunk. So past participle of drink is drunk. So it can't be drunk. Remember this thing. And number 4. Shivai was too tired to sleep. Shivai was too tired to sleep. Okay. So what will be the answer? Shivai was, in place of these two we'll write so tired that, in place of Shivai we'll use pronoun he. Okay, but here in this statement we have the verb which is used is was, and we have to, as was indicates past tense, so we have to write could in place of can't. Okay, could, and negation we have to add. So he couldn't sleep. Right? I wish that you are getting my teaching. Okay. Number 5. The sum was too difficult to solve. The sum was too difficult to solve. Okay. So the sum was so difficult that, okay, for some we'll write it. Okay, so again as we have seen such kind of sentence before also, so you have to write in passivization that the sum was so difficult that it, okay, it couldn't be solved. Okay, sometimes students write like this way also, the sum was so difficult that I couldn't solve it. Okay, but here as it is in passive, so we'll write like this, sum was so difficult that it couldn't be solved by students. Okay, write like this way. But if you will not write by students, then also it will do, nothing is wrong. Okay, and this question is asked in 1 mark. Okay, so remember, learn it properly, go thoroughly. Okay.
Thank you.